Charlotte Summers, and I'm broadcasting from my home in Windsor Estates. I'm adhering to that stay-at-home order from our governor. It's Monday, April 6th, 2020. We're finishing up our third week of isolation. And during those few weeks, I know that all of us have experienced some sort of a disappointment. We've had expectations of what we've been wanting to do, but because of this virus, we've been unable to do it. The purpose of our Community Meet organization is to send out positive messages to our community. So I hope in some way what I'm going to say to you today will be uplifting and give you food for thought. First of all, we keep hearing things we can't do. We can't go to church. Yesterday was Palm Sunday. This coming Sunday is Easter. But that doesn't prohibit us from worshiping inside our homes and watching live stream services, as I do every Sunday. We can't go to parties. We can't gather with more than 10 people. Our kids can't graduate with a graduation ceremony. Our kids can't go to their proms. But this situation isn't going to last forever. Hopefully this summer, some of those things will be given back, at least graduation services through Gwinnett's school system. But I think as we look into this, I know each and every one of us is stressed. As adults, we're stressed. We're trying to find time to work at home if we still can work. We're trying to figure out where that next paycheck is coming from. We're looking at our kids. Oh my gosh, how am I going to educate my own kids? I was a teacher for 38 years. And believe me, it is not an easy task. And I know basically your kids are at home. They still are under the impression that they're on spring break, summer break, or whatever break. And why? Why do I have to do anything? But it's for the greater good. I think also we need to look at our kids. I know we as adults are in fear of what's going on right at this time. But I know our kids are afraid as well. Throughout my years of teaching, I noticed there were two basic kinds of students. Those who were afraid and internalized their fears, and those who were afraid and acted out because of their fears. I think we need to take a look at these kids, our kids, and talk to them and assure them that things will get better as the days go on. And I would like to assure all of the adults things will get better as our days go on. I want you to have a wonderful week, a great Holy Week, and leading on into Easter next Sunday. God bless.